A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to ANB Exam Forum. Student, in today's session, we are going to see one of the easiest and one of the scoring topic, that is mathematical operation in general intelligence and reasoning section. And in today's session, we are going to see both the concept as well as the previous year question that are asked in various exams like RRB, SSC, CGL, CPO, CHSL and many more other exams. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin the session. So let's see the objective of today's session. In today's session, first we will see the types of questions which are generally asked in mathematical operations. And we are going to see a simple strategy to solve those questions in mathematical operations. Okay, and afterwards we will see the previous year questions on each type what we have discussed in this section. Okay, so get ready. So the first and foremost is the types of question which are generally asked from this topic. Okay, so they are basically four types. Okay, the first type is the substitution based. In substitution based, what they ask is to replace the alphabet or symbol with some mathematical operator or sign. Okay, afterward you need to evaluate the expression by substituting the value of those alphabets or symbol. Okay, so that's why this category is named as substitution based, where you need to substitute the meaning of alphabet and symbol to some mathematical sign, like in this particular question. Afterwards you need to evaluate that expression and gives the answer. Okay, the second type is the interchanging based, where the mathematical signs are interchange. I mean to say that like plus means multiplication, minus means division, multiplication means minus. So you need to interchange the operator given in the expression and then evaluate and give the answer. Okay, so this is type 2, that is interchange based question related to mathematical operations. The third type is the extinction of the sign, where certain equation will be given to you where signs will not be there or some empty spaces will be there. Okay, so you need to choose the option with which this equation satisfy. Okay, so with what operator if you put in this particular left hand side, you will get the answer as the number on the right hand side. Okay, so these types are called extinction of the sign. And the last one is a miscellaneous category, where he can revolve around these three categories. Okay, so these are the basically four types of question which are generally asked in mathematical operations. Okay, so before going to solve a previous year question related to this particular category, let's see what are the mathematical operators and sign used in this particular topic. And all of us knows that basically there are four arithmetic sign which are used in the schools: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, these are the four arithmetic signs. There are some other mathematical signs also. These are called logical sign. Logical sign means which give the result as true or false. It can become equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to. And in addition to that, we have some brackets. Okay, and in order to solve these mathematical operations related question, you need to know the rule of BODMAS. And everybody knows BODMAS, we have studied in our I think 5th grade. Okay, but here in this type of question generally we deal with DMAS, and all of us knows that D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. And generally brackets and orders are not asked in this particular topic in reasoning section. Okay, generally they will play around division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, okay, got it? Okay, so let's see few of the question related to each type what we have discussed in the second slide. Okay, so this is a type 1 which we call as a substitution based. Okay, substitution based mathematical operation, where we are going to substitute the alphabet with the mathematical operator. Okay, so in order to solve this question, what you need to do, you just see this expression. Okay, first write the number 6. What does this, just read with me, C7. What is C? C means plus. Okay, so 6 plus 7, this is not 7, this is actually 78. That's what you need to cautious while writing the equation. Okay, so 6 plus 78, then is B3. What is B? B is division. Okay, don't use this operator, prefer to use this operator. I will tell you why you need to put like this instead of putting this symbol. Okay, 78 B3 means 78 divided by 3. A is what? Minus, and minus 4. After that E6. What is E? E is multiplication and 6 is the number. Okay, so this is your equation. Okay, so I will tell you why I'm telling you to put like this, because in upcoming question you will appreciate why I'm putting like this instead of this division symbol. Okay, so let's see, let's solve this particular equation. You know, first we need to apply the division. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are 18. Okay, so it is 6 plus 26 minus 6 4s are 24. Okay, after that we need to do the addition. Okay, so 6 plus 26 is what? It is 32 and minus 24. Okay, and 32 minus 24 is what? It is 8. Okay, so those who have given option C, well and good, they are right. So option C is the right answer. Okay, understood? Okay, let's see one more question related to substitution based. Again, let's write it. So first I will write 4. C9. What is C? C is plus. Okay, plus 9. After that R7. What is R? R is multiplication. After that we will see E3. E is division. Okay, E is division. I am putting like this, not the division symbol. Okay, W23. W is minus 23. So if you see, the putting like this will help you in doing the calculation. If you put like that, okay, it is very difficult to appreciate like how to do the calculation. Okay, because 7 divided by 3 you will put in some floating point numbers. That is not a good thing. Okay, you need to always work on the integer as much as possible. Okay, so by putting this you can do the multiplication and division simultaneously. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So you have 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. So 4 plus 21 minus 23. Okay, after this addition it is 25 minus 23 and the answer is 2. Okay, so those who have given option B, well and good, they are right. Let's see the next question. It is again a substitution based, but this time they have not given any expression. We need to evaluate the options. Okay, so whenever you see such type of question, I always tell my student to start with the backward. Okay, backward means start from the option D to check the value. Okay, so first is 9, then C9. What does this C mean? C means plus, plus 9. Then A9, A is what? Division. Okay, A9. After that D9, what is D? D is minus 9. After that B9, what is B? B is multiplied by 9. Okay, so just evaluate it, what we got. Okay, we are going to divide first. So 9 plus 1 minus multiplication, 9 9s are 81. Okay, so it become 10 minus 81, it is minus 71. So see, so if you start with option A, you will lose time in solving these three options. Okay, so generally like as a paper setter, I will put either in B, C, D, usually not in A. Okay, so go with this strategy, either you start with the middle one or the last one. Okay, so option C, D is the right answer. Let's see the next type, that is interchange based. This type is called interchange of the mathematical symbols. Okay, so let's interchange the value. So 18 plus 12, what does this plus mean? Plus means multiplication, multiplication 12. Minus 4, what does this minus 4 means? Division, minus 4. After that division by 5, division means plus. Okay, so plus 5. And after that multiply by 6, multiply means minus, so minus 6. Okay, so again if you put like this, it will help you in solving the question, like 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and 18 multiplied by 3 is 54 plus 5 minus 6. Okay, 59 minus 6, that is 53. Okay, so those who have given option B, well and good, they are right. Let's see the next question. It is again from the category interchange of the mathematical symbols. Let's solve this problem. Okay, so plus 7 plus means what? Plus means where is plus? Plus means multiplication. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 7, again multiplied by 7, and minus means division. Okay, so division by 7 multiplied by 7, then multiplication means plus. Okay, so plus 7, after that division means minus, minus 7. Okay, so let's solve it. So it is removed. 7 7s are 49 plus 7 minus 7, the answer is 49. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Let's see the next question. It is again the substitution based, but instead of the alphabet we have the symbols now. Okay, so you need to replace the symbols with the numbers. Okay, so let's solve it. So first is 8 alpha. 8 alpha 6. What is alpha? Alpha means divide. 8 divided by 6. Then gamma 4. Gamma means minus 4. Okay. Then beta 7. What is beta? Beta means multiplication. After that you have omega 3. What is omega? Omega means plus 3. Okay, so you can see like there will be denominator part will be there, because it is not like you will have always integer part. So if you solve 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, so denominator part will be 3 in this particular expression, because you are not going to cancel this out anywhere. So without simplification you can put option B as your answer, because your denominator part is 3, so you are getting 3 in the denominator part. So option B is the right answer. This is a quick tips that you need to see while solving the question. Okay, this is miscellaneous type. Okay, where you need to guess the meaning of the symbol. Okay, so you need to satisfy this equation by putting any symbols from plus, minus, division, and multiplication. Okay, so let's see how to get RHS by putting certain symbol in it this. Okay, so if I see it is 8, so addition will not work. Okay, I will do certain other thing like 4 4 just 16, and if I divide by 2 I will get 8. Okay, so this is multiplication, this is division. If I apply the same rule, whether I am getting the same thing, let's see. Multiplication, 8 3s are 24, hash means divide, so divide by 2, 24 divided by 2 is 12. So I have put correctly, dollar means multiplication and hash means divide. Okay, so dollar means multiplication, hash means divide. Okay, 7 6 are 42, 42 divided by 3 is what? It is 14. Okay, so option B is the right answer. Let's see the next question. It is the interchanging of the symbols. Okay, so let's choose options. Okay, as I told you, let's start with option D. So if I replace plus and multiplication, whether I am getting the right hand side, let's see. So 5 multiplication and plus are interchange. Okay, so multiplication become plus, so plus 15 divided by 7 minus 20 and plus 4. Plus 4 is there, so we need to interchange, it is multiplied by 4. Okay, so if you see it is 77, but we are having this denominator part, so this is wrong answer. Let's see the next one. The equation will become 5 into 15. We need to interchange plus and division. Okay, 5 into 15, division become plus, minus 20 and plus become division. Okay, so 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, and 15 multiplied by 5 is what? 75. 75, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 75 plus 2, it is 77. Are we getting the 77? Yes, so option C is the right answer. Let's see the next question. Here again you need to balance the equation based on the symbol given in option. Okay, you can start with option D. So let's start with option D. Okay, so 14 equal to 9 multiplied by 3 minus 19 plus 6. Whether it is a balanced equation, let's check this. So multiplication first, 9 3s are 27 minus 19 plus 6. So what we got is 27 minus 13. It is what? It is 14. Yes, we have got in the first option D itself. So option D is the right answer. This is the next category of question which I called is the extension of the symbol, where symbol are disappeared in the equation, and you need to choose from the option given below. Okay, again we are going to start with option D, our favorite option, option D. Okay, 63 divided by 7 multiplied by 5 plus 4. 7 9s are 63 and 9 5s are 45 plus 4. It is 49. So option D is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. It is again from the extinction of symbol. I am putting this question as a homework for you because this is a repetitive one. Okay, you can solve it and put in the comment box what you got the answer. Okay, so that's it. So we have seen the mathematical operations concept and PYQ which are generally asked in SSC and RRB related exam. So thank you, and if you have anything to say you can write in our comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.